Recently read this news that some school in Bangalore that just switched to IB board. There was a fee hike, a massive fee hike. I don't know what the earlier fee was, but now for a nursery class, was it, or a KG class, it's somewhere 3,75,000 rupees a year. Oh my fucking god. So the parents of a KG class will be paying equal to, ooh, that's a paper, that's a plane. Yeah, so I was saying that people of, what the hell is going on with that truck? Bro is just casually taking a U-turn on a flyover. No, it's normal, guys. You can totes do it. Just totally normal thing to do, obviously. I mean, why not? Why not? I am late. I'm late. I'm late. So parents of a KG class in that school will be paying fee equivalent to what Infosys new joinee earns. Oh, the speed limit is 60. I think in the previous video I was rambling about what the speed limit is, but it's not for the flyover, I'm guessing. I think. Sure, buddy. Fucking booze hounds. So casually ऐसे दारू का ग्लास बाहर फेंक दिया भाई ने. Stupid ass clowns. भाई कनाडा जाना, उत्थे सारा कुछ मतलब चजदा हैगा वा. लोग ये करते वो करते, सफाई वाली रखते हैं. बाकी इत्थे आपां डूब फैलाना. Just a random piece of information. There is this album by Coldplay, which is spelled M-Y-L-O, Milo, and then X-Y-L-O-T-O, which I used to pronounce as Milo Xyloto. But then I found out the correct pronunciation is Miloto. There is no lo or xy in between. It's straight up Miloto. Ooh, check out that fancy number. It's Pau 0010. Pau Pau mara hori chalo. Right where the board is of no littering, it's literally at the dump yard, the local dump yard. More people dumping. It's like people's ego gets offended when they see a board of no littering. यहाँ पेशाब करना मना है, no spitting, no photographs. People just go out of their way to do those things at that very same spot. Something with the male ego. Very fragile. It just shatters. Ooh, a perak. But with the second seat, why is there a pillion seat on a perak? It just kills the whole aesthetic of the bike. has the billion foot pegs and all. Oh my god. And why are those hazard lamps on? Lights. Ugh, this thing stinks. Just got freaked with the work. This is the Sohana Gurudwara. It's autumn in Mohali. I haven't been towards Chandigarh. I haven't seen the trees there, but it's autumn in Mohali. Looking pretty. What the hell is this mutton doing on the road? But Polo is such a nice is an understatement. It's such a badass car. Too bad they've discontinued it here in India. I think the reason for discontinuing it is it was already a well-priced car. But then when they released the new model, I guess it went into the sub 4 meter category because they give more space in the rear seats, more leg room, which in this one is non-existent. 30 minutes ago I was sitting inside a Polo. There was barely any leg room, but now they have expanded that leg room, but the drawback is now it's in sub 4 meter, so the price is shot up and they thought chodo yaar. Plus I think to a certain extent I do understand, I try to understand a car guy from cars guy's perspective, what he's anticipating when he sees a two-wheeler riding in front of them, because two-wheeler riders कोई दीन मान नहीं है भाई. Right now riding in this lane will go this just habit of doing this lane shifting, lane switching without any prior indication and just jumping from lane to lane is quite scary for a person who's driving a car. क्योंकि बाइक वाला तो आसानी से गाड़ी के नीचे आके हो जाएगा, उसके बाद जो गलती है सारी वो गाड़ी वाले की है. So to a certain extent I do understand whenever I'm riding in front and there's a car behind me, he's trying to change lanes, he honks. That's the purpose of honking, कि भाई मैं आ रहा हूँ, लेन चेंज मत करियो. And two-wheeler riders keep doing that always. I've seen them. I mean, मेरे साथ इतनी बार होता है I always have to be cautious, looking out for, yes, the car people also, they switch lanes like anything. But it's more with the two-wheeler riders, is because ease. दो पहिया घुमा दो कैसे भी. Look, did you see that? Did you see that jackass? How he just cut me? That's what I'm talking about. That's what car guys are skeptical of. That's what they're looking for. Assholes like them. He wasn't even going there. He just did this stunt for some fucking reason. And because of that, now I have to just hit on the brakes. Half of the nuisance on these roads is created by people who are going in the opposite lane. And check this one out. It's written here, entry for us. That's where they exit the. Ooh, ooh.